Welcome to Frog Furnishings and assembly guidance for our Park Place 6-foot table. Be sure to install your table on a flat and level surface. Unpack the contents of your container box and ensure all pieces are included. Please read the assembly instructions and follow all directions. The Park Place table also comes in an 8-foot model and uses the same hardware. There are 3 table bases, 3 tabletop slats, 2 seat slats, and 1 base support slat. The hardware includes 34-inch hex head lag screws, 3 3½ hex head lag screws, and 3 flat washers. Recommended tools for assembly are a powered driver or drill, a socket wrench with 7/16 and 3/4-inch sockets, and a tape measure. 2 people are recommended for assembly. Begin by using the base support slat as a guide. Position the 3 bases spaced evenly on a flat surface. The center base should be spaced approximately 28 inches on center from the 2 outer bases. Do not attach the base support slat at this step in the assembly process. It is currently being used as a spacing guide and will be attached later in the build. Ensure all 3 bases are square and plumb. Next, while keeping the bases square and plumb, place 1 seat slat across the bases on each side. The pre-drilled holes in the seat slats should align with the center of the base attachment surface. Using the pre-drilled holes as a guide, drill 3/8-inch starter holes in the base at each end. Loosely attach the seat slats to the base ends using 4-inch hex head lag screws. Then, drill 3/8-inch starter holes through the seat slats and into the middle base supports, and secure the seat slats using additional 4-inch hex head lag screws. Next, place the tabletop slats across the tops of the bases, aligning the pre-drilled holes with the attachment surface on each base. Ensure they are square and centered. Then, drill a 3/8-inch starter hole at each pre-drilled location, and secure the slats to the bases using 4-inch hex head lag screws. Make sure to fully tighten all hardware. With 2 people, carefully flip the table over, resting it upside down on the tabletop slats. Attach and secure the base support slat using the 3½ hex head lag screws and flat washers. Then, flip the assembled table back to its original upright position. Assembly is now complete. Enjoy your premium Frog Furnishings Park Place 6-foot table.